Yo, what is going on, you guys? So today I'm going to show you all how to get any username on TikTok, even if it's taken for free. You're not going to have to spend any money on this. This is actually the best method to get the OG TikTok usernames on your accounts. I was able to get the username Fire with this method. I'm going to show you guys how you can do it as well on iOS and Android. And it's pretty easy, so let's get right into it. You're going to be able to get any username you want. And I'm going to show you guys how you can also make some money with this method as well if you're interested in that. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so now it is time we get started with the method on actually how to go ahead and get the OG TikTok usernames. It's going to be pretty easy, so just follow along with me. Really quick though, before we do get started with the video, make sure you guys leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel. And now let's get started with the tutorial. So, like I said, you're going to be able to do this on both iOS and Android. First thing that we will have to go ahead and do though, actually before we get started with the tutorial, let me just go ahead and show you guys like the actual TikTok Plus app that allows us to get any username we want. So this is where you're going to be able to get any like OG username, or even if it's not OG, it could just be a taken username that you want. All we're going to be needing is this TikTok Plus app, guys. And as you can see, I'm trying to get the Fire username, right? So Fire, that is a really OG name. First of all, it only has 4 letters. Second of all, it's a real word, so it's very OG. Now, as you guys can see, it says bypass. So normally, when it says this username isn't available, it would just go ahead and close it, and you wouldn't be able to do anything else, and you would have to get a new username that isn't taken. However, this one is taken. But guys, check this out. If I tap bypass, it actually gets rid of that and lets me use the username. So we can tap on save, and as you guys can see, I now have the Fire username on my TikTok account. So that's how easy this is to do, guys. As you can see, it literally took like 1 minute, very easy to set up. And now I can go ahead and do this as many times as we want and get any other username I want, guys. I can literally get the username like as your name. Like if you want to get, like, for example, let's say your name is Jake. You can literally just get Jake as your username. That's pretty cool as well. I see a lot of people do that. Or you can go ahead and do any other cool name like Fire. But anyways, guys, now I'm going to go ahead and show you all exactly how to download the app on your iOS and Android device so you guys can go ahead and start getting the OG usernames for free. So let's get right into it. First thing that we have to go ahead and do, guys, is just make sure that our device is ready for the install of the app. And what I mean by this is we have to go ahead and change some settings really quick on our iOS and Android devices. So to do this, first we're going to go ahead and do the iOS device, then I'll show you guys what to do if you're on Android. So if you're on iOS, go ahead and open up the settings app. And then what you guys are going to want to do is scroll down in settings and look for battery. And just simply go ahead and make sure that you have the low power mode option turned off. So as you all can see, I do have it off right now, guys, so that's perfect. Then once you guys have done that, you're going to want to look for where it says general. And then in general, you guys are going to want to look for background app refresh. And you're just going to want to make sure that you have the setting turned on to Wi-Fi and cellular data. So as you guys can see, I do have it on, and we're good to go on that. Now, there's one last step we have to go ahead and do on iOS, and that's to come to the Bounce option in general settings and just make sure that your software version is above iOS 10. So as you can see, I'm on iOS 14.3, which is great because that means I'm good to go up. Like, my device is compatible with TikTok Plus. Now, if you guys are below iOS 10, you will have to go ahead and upgrade your device to an iOS version above iOS 10, and you will be good to go, guys. But yes, that is all the things we have to go ahead and do on iOS. Now, if you're on Android, we also have to go ahead and change some settings really quick. So open up the settings app on your Android device, and you guys are going to want to look for where it says battery. So as you can see, battery is right there. We're just going to go ahead and tap on it. And then in battery, we're going to go ahead and look for 2 specific settings that we have to go ahead and change. Like the first one is going to be battery saver. You're just going to want to make sure you guys have this turned off. So as you all can see, I have it off right now. And also look for something called adaptive battery and make sure that's off as well. Now, if you don't see these 2 settings on your device, on your Android device, like if you can't find them, you could just skip this step instead of worrying about it. So yeah, guys, just keep that in mind. You don't have to do them if you can't find them. But anyways, those are all the settings that we have to change on our iOS and Android devices. Now our devices are prepared to download TikTok Plus, so I'll go ahead and show you guys exactly how to do that now. So what you guys are going to want to do is head on over to this website called, the name of the website is called Yulu Hub. So just going over to yuluhub.com, let me go ahead and show you guys the site. So here's the site, guys. It's called yuluhub.com. So just spell it like that, yuluhub.com. And basically this is like a tweaked app store. It's free to download, and it's free to use, and it's fully web-based, so you don't have to like jailbreak your device to use it or anything. But yeah, guys, just head over to yuluhub.com. One of the best tweaked app stores in my opinion that I've ever used. But once you guys are on the site, you're just gonna see like a bunch of tweaked apps and games and whatnot. So what we're gonna want to do is use the search bar and just type in TikTok. And there we have it, guys. TikTok plus, get free followers and more. So what we have to go to do now, guys, is just tap on the app. Then it's gonna say like injection required. Follow the instructions on the next screen. So tap the start button. And now all we have to go to do, guys, is just wait for this to load, like this blue bar right here. And then it will fully load up and take us to the final part of the download of the app. But just make sure you guys do keep on watching until the end of the video. There is one last step that we have to go and do that is very important. So yes, guys, this is the final part of the download. So it's now going to load up and show us saying missing files, additional files are required for TikTok plus, how to install, carefully read instructions of each additional file to unpack them. So this is the last step, guys. It's going to say TikTok plus installer, download the additional files below to continue. So basically, you're gonna have to do all these apps here on this list, and once you do all of them, then the full TikTok plus will be installed, and you will have yourselves the free TikTok plus, and now you'll be able to go and get your OG usernames on TikTok, guys. So let's get started. You know, the instructions will be on the app, so like before you tap get, just read it. So it's gonna say download. So this one says download and install this app. They're running for 30 seconds to unlock this content. You guys will have to do all the apps, by the way. So if there's like 3 of them or 4 of them, whatever the amount is, just do all of them. And then once that's done, then the full TikTok plus will be installed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do one app right now. And then once I do the first one, then I'll head back and do the rest of them. And after we've done every single offer, guys, we'll be pretty much done. And we'll have ourselves the full TikTok plus installed. And now you'll be able to get your free, your OG usernames, guys. So that's how easy this is to do. Just do all the offers. If you guys have any questions, let me know down below. I don't want to make this video like very long, so I'm not going to do all of them. But thanks, guys, for watching. If you have any questions, let me know down below. And enjoy your TikTok usernames. Peace out, guys.